If you've been wondering how to change FPS in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video I'll show you two simple ways to control your frame rate in CapCut. First, by changing the Project FPS during export. This is super useful if your footage feels choppy, you want smoother playback, or you need your final video to match a specific frame rate for YouTube, social media, or editing consistency. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's change the Project FPS, which affects your timeline workspace. This is the option you want when you want your editing project to match the frame rate of your footage. So to begin, open your CapCut project on PC and click anywhere in the blank area of your timeline. You want to make sure the timeline itself is selected, not a clip or a tool. Once the timeline is active, look to the upper right side of your screen and find the Details panel. This panel gives you access to project-specific settings. At the bottom of the Details panel, you should see a Modify button. Click that button to open the project settings. Inside this menu, look for the frame rate drop-down. This is where you can choose the timeline FPS you want to use. CapCut usually gives you several common options, including 24, 25, 29.97, 30, 50, 59.94, and 60 frames per second. If you're editing standard talking head videos or YouTube content, 30 frames per second is a common choice. If you want a more cinematic look, you may prefer 24 frames per second. If you're working with fast motion or gameplay, 60 frames per second can be a better option. After selecting the frame rate that fits your project, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, your CapCut timeline should now be set to that FPS. This helps keep your editing environment consistent and can reduce issues when your footage and project settings don't match. Now let's move on to the second method, which changes the output FPS at export level. This is the option you use when you want the final video file to render at a specific frame rate, regardless of how the project was originally set up. To do this, go to the top right corner of CapCut and click the blue Export button. This opens the export window, where you can control your final video settings. In the export pop-up, look for the video export options. Among the settings, you'll find a frame rate row. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the FPS you want for the final export. Again, depending on the type of video you're making, you might choose 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. If you're exporting for YouTube, 30 frames per second is usually a safe and popular choice, while 60 frames per second works well for gameplay, sports, or smooth motion content. After selecting your preferred frame rate, click Export to render the video. CapCut will then create the final file using the FPS you selected. This is especially helpful if you want to control the look and feel of your finished video before uploading it anywhere. So to recap, if you want to change the editing workspace frame rate, use the Modify option in the Timeline Details panel. If you want to change the final rendered frame rate, use the frame rate setting in the Export window. Knowing both methods gives you much better control over your CapCut workflow and helps you export videos that look exactly the way you want. If this video helped you learn how to change FPS in CapCut on PC, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.